Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Quality Over Subgraph Matching over Inconstant Probabilistic Graph Databases. Let me see the abstract. Resource description framework has been widely used in the semantic web to describe resources and their relationship. The RDF graph is one of the most commonly used representation for RDF data. However, in many real applications such as the data extraction integrations, RDF graphs integrated from different data sources may often contain uncertain and inconsistent information. Uncertain labels are that violate facts rules due to the unreliability of data sources. In this project, we formalize the RDF data by inconsistent probabilistic RDF graphs which contain both inconsistencies and uncertainty. With such a probabilistic graph model, we focus on an important problem: quality over subgraph matching over inconsistent probabilistic RDF graphs, which retrieve subgraphs from inconsistent probabilistic RDF graphs that are isomorphic to a given polygraph and with high quality scores, considering both consistency and uncertainty. This process to represent the graph in user view and admin view. User view the details to successfully upload the files and retrieve the files. Admin process to view the user details and file details also. To represent the graph in file upload clients and born, then city and visitor to represent in the graph. Let me see the flow diagram. Then start the process. Go to the registration to probably registered user only access the other process. Then admin login to view the user and file details. Then user login successfully user login to upload the files and user to ask some semantic queries represents in a graph. Then performance analysis in this graph. The process is the main role of the admin, user and file uploads. Admin to the file upload and to view the user and file details, registered user details stored in database, and to retrieve the user semantic queries. Semantic means some keywords to search. The full data is fixed in our databases. Let me see that in our process. Go to the new user to registered here. So our user name, then date of birth, and male or female to choose this, then address, mobile number and city, then state, user name and password, then group password 123. Go to the submit button, successfully inserted. Then user login, then user name and password. To click the submit button, valid user to upload the files, domain, then title, then author, publisher name, then a year, and browse the file. uploaded successfully, inserted, uploaded. Yes, queries, search the keyword Eva, then submit the button. What is your bed name? What is your bed name? Answer is dogs. Already stored the database values are displayed here. Then another keyword is nearest. To click the submit button, nearest hotel and nearest bus stand. Other processes, admin process. So username and password. Click the submit button, valid user. Then to click the file view, file view button, id, domain, title, author, publisher name and year to display this. Then and the user view, already registered user, display the name, date of birth, gender, address, mobile number, district, state and user name. Another process is to get the file id, to get the file id and get the files already stored in database. Then second id to click and click the domain, title, author, publisher name and choose files to display this. Finally, to display the performance analysis quality graph, born, city, live and integrated graph, file name, upload and clients. To display the font, file name and city, match the overall details in our project. Thank you.